Hey everyone, welcome back to Exception Accepted. Today we are diving into one of the freshest and most exciting features released by Figma Grid Auto Layout. Figma dropped this feature on May 7, 2025, and guess what? It's still in open beta, which means anyone with a full seat on any plan can try it out. And yes, even I'm using the free plan for this demo, so don't worry if you can follow along without spending any money. This new feature brings two-dimensional layout control to Figma, allowing us to structure designs in rows and columns, kind of like CSS grid. Super handy for making things like galleries, dashboards, and those trendy bento layouts. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. As you can see, I already have a few images ready for this demo. First, I'll create a new frame. I'm going with a resolution of 1440 by 1024, which is a pretty standard desktop size. Now to turn this into a gallery layout, I'll scroll down to the last option in the auto layout settings. This is the new grid auto layout option. Since it's in beta, you might see a little badge next to it. Let's select a 3 by 2 grid and boom, it's applied. Now I'll simply drag and drop these images into the grid. See how it automatically organizes them? No manual spacing, no aligning, it just works. This is honestly a game changer for creating structured layouts. Things like bento boxes, UI dashboards, and photo galleries just got way easier to build. What I really love is how responsive this layout is. Watch this. I'm adjusting the screen size and see how the grid adapts instantly. Super smooth. But there's a little catch. Even when I set the images to fill, they scale perfectly when resizing the grid. So yeah. Now let's test something fun. I'm adding a bigger image into the grid and it adjusts. But instead of expanding in one column or row, it adjusts the whole grid. That's important to keep in mind when working with varied image sizes. Let's try changing the number of columns now. It's not working. Why? Here's the thing. You can't change the grid layout once content is added. So let me remove the images first. Now I'll try again, and yep, it works. Alright, final bit. Let's talk about alignment and spacing. In the grid auto layout settings, you can control the gaps between items, both horizontally and vertically. You can also adjust padding around the entire grid. But currently you can't add padding inside individual grid cells, at least not yet, so that's something to look out for. As for alignment, see this smaller image. I can center or align it using the alignment options right here. And that's a wrap for today's walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed learning about this new Figma feature. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your designer friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Exception Accepted for more Figma tips and design hacks. See you in the next video. Until then, enjoy and keep learning.